today I'm going to do the book review of the book the Krishnaski, and the author of this book is Ashwin Sangi, who is a very famous author. And this is a very simple book, and and all the children can read and enjoy it. So first, now let's know about the author. Author Ashwin Sangi is a very famous writer, and his first novel was The Rosable Line, which was self-published in 2007 under his pseudonym Sean Higgins. This theological thriller is based upon the theory that Jesus died in Kashmir, and his second famous novel is The Chanakya Stand, which is a political thriller, and it was the bestseller. It was in the bestseller list in India within a few weeks of its launch, and this novel went on to win the Crossword Vodafone Popular Choice Award 2010. And his third novel is the Krishnaki. The Krishnaki itself, and it is a furious-paced and riveting thriller that explores the ancient secrets of the Vedic age and Mahabharata. Ashwin Sangi is an entrepreneur by profession, but writing historical fiction in thriller genre is his passion and hobby. So he was educated at the Cathedral and John Cannon School, Mumbai, and Saint Xavier's College, Mumbai, and he is doing a PhD at creative writing. And Ashwin lives in Mumbai with his wife Anushika and his son Raghuveer. So this book has 108 chapters and it has 464 pages, which is a very long book. And now let's know the story. So the Anil Varshni, who is a very famous archaeologist, goes to find the secret of the Krishna, the Syamantaka Mani, which was left by Krishna before 5,000 years ago, and he has 4 seals. He gives that seals to his 4 friends, who are Ravi Mohan Saini, Nikhil Bojraj, Jairam Kurkude, and Devraj Chetty. So he gives that 4 seals to all his friends, and see the seal is like this, which has 3 animal picture in it, and the 4 seals, and it has a plate together with it, and this unlocks the secret which Krishna has left behind 5,000 years ago. So this was the theory by Anil Varshni, but he will be killed by villain Tarak Vakil, who is a rich boy and believes himself to be in Kalki avatar. So he kills Anil Varshni and goes to kill Nikhil Bojraj, Jairam Kurkude, and Devraj Chetty. So and Ravi Mohan Saini is the prime suspect for all these murders, and the police Radhika Singh comes to investigate it, but Ravi Mohan Saini runs away with his doctoral student Priya. But after so many days, he will go to Mount Kailash, to Vrindavan temple, and to so many places to discover the secret of Syamantaka Mani, and at last he will know it. And this is a very good thriller, and I like this book very much. Thank you.